GCG Turbochargers have been Australia's turbo experts since 1979. Today we carry over 22,000 part numbers from major OE and aftermarket brands. As a GCG trade customer, this entire inventory is available to you 24/7 via the website. To log into our trade portal, go to gcg.com.au. In the right-hand corner, tap the login button and enter your account number and secure password. While logged into your B2B portal, you can check your account status by simply clicking on the My Account button. This will show you your account details, balances, past invoices or credits, any payments made, and all quotes prepared for the last 3 months by the team at GCG. Another handy feature is to add any regular or reminder product to the My Favourites button for reference or ordering in the future. To make doing business with GCG easier, your after-sales service is at your fingertips. Simply scroll to the bottom of the webpage and find our GCG forms, where these cover off every need should it arise after you receive your delivery. Simply complete the online form, save, and it will be auto-lodged, and a customer service person will take care of the rest. Everything done in only a minute. No need to be on the phone, simply to ask the question, the form answers. Have a question or need some technical help? Head over to our Turbopedia page, where you will find a vast array of general and specific technical information, all free for you to access or download as a PDF. When a customer comes to the workshop looking for any turbocharger or other parts, you can simply log in and tap in the registration, relevant state and country code. This will take you to the vehicle details. You can see all stock levels and your buy price. If you would like to proceed, you can add to your shopping cart and check out using your customer credentials. Your order will be processed at GCG's nearest warehouse and sent out via one of our fully trackable transport providers. The result: less time chasing parts and more time working on cars. At GCG Turbochargers, we are here to make doing business easy and seamless. Get onto your account at gcg.com.au today.